Hello guys, I am Ashutosh Kumar from ZerOOne. Today we will discuss about digital electronics. Friends, when we deal with computer science and electronics, it becomes very necessary to know about this digital electronic part and to deal with 0 and 1. Okay, so why we require this? What is the main thing that we should focus is whenever we study a topic, the first question that comes in our mind is that why we are studying this. Okay, so this will come in handy. If we understand this digital electronic, it will be very easy to understand the programming concepts, or when we advance in complex programming or algorithms. Okay, see, before discussing this digital electronic, let me tell you what signal is. Okay, so what a signal is, what does this mean? It gives you some information. It gives you some information. You can consider analogy, like when the signals light goes red, when the signal light goes green. Okay, it gives you some information to do something. In the same way, so, the signal are divided into analog and digital. I will tell you what is the difference between these two, but before that, realize a computer. Okay, so a computer runs on power, electric power. So have you imagined how a computer understands human being? Through this electric power, through electrical signal. See, I will make you clear the whole idea how we are doing this. Okay, so now let us jump to analog. What analog signal is? See, our voice, when we speak, it is continuous. Okay, whenever a signal is continuous, it is considered to be analog. Say for example, this is the graph of some signal. Okay, this is time. As time progresses, this signal progresses, and this is the Vt. Okay, do not go into this graphical terminology, just focus. This is some energy signal. Okay, signal is basically an energy. Now when we speak, we are continuously speaking. Okay, every part of the time, every signal has certain specific meanings. Okay, so how computer will understand our voice? Computer cannot understand our voice or any other signal. For that, scientists have designed something called as digital. Digital. But digital is basically discrete. It is not continuous. Okay, so this was analog signal. Okay, analog. Now let us realize how computer understands us. Computers are involved with circuit chips. Circuitry there inside the computer. You have various type of circuitry, and what happens, we consider 0 and 1 only. Okay, this 0 and 1 is the very basic thing that every computer science or electronic or IT engineer should know. Okay, so this 0 and 1, this 0 is basically the low voltage, and this is the high voltage. So see how beautiful it is, how it is designed. See, our computer runs on power. Computer runs on power. So how can we differentiate powers using low voltage or high voltage? See, if we can say that if light is low, light or power is low, it will mean something, and power is high, it will mean something different. And this is the whole way computer is understanding. Yes, it is developed to get some complicated and sophisticated structure so that the communication is easy. Okay, now let us say number, suppose 635. Okay, this is a decimal number which we are using, okay, in mathematics. So how can we make computer understand this number? Computer is not going to understand this number. Computer understands only the high voltage and low voltage. So let us first break down this. So in normal decimal system, we have 0, 1, 2, dot 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 up to n. So we have 10 numbers. So the base comes out to be 10. And in elementary mathematics, we did this, we decomposed, we break this. How we break this? See, 5 into 10 to the power 0 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 2. So what it comes? 5 plus 30 plus 600. So it became 635. So this was the breakup. This was the decimal breakup. So how computer is going to understand? Okay. Okay. For simplicity, assume we have a device. Okay. Just for simplicity, it is not the practical case. The practical case is more complicated one. Suppose we have a device and we have slots like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For simplicity, let us assume we have only 5 slots, and each slot can have a high voltage or low voltage. Okay, so high voltage is considered to be 1. This is also known as logic 1. And low voltage is considered to be 0. This is logic 0. Okay. Suppose there is a high voltage. So we consider it 1. Here it is low voltage 0, 0, 0 and 0. So here the theory of binary numbers come. Why binary? Binary means 2. So in binary system is what computer understand. Okay. So in binary system, we have only 0 and 1. Okay. So the base comes out to be 2. So suppose we have to make understand a computer the number 1. So how we are doing this? See. Then what we do? This is 1. We put 1 into, because base is 2, 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus dot dot and so on, because every block is 0 now. We do not consider it, because why? Because multiplied by 0, everything will be 0 here. Now what is 2 to the power 0? It is 1. So 1 into 1 comes out to be 1 only. So see, this way we have made an arrangement so that computer understands 1. Okay. Similarly, what if we want computer to understand 2? What we can do is that we can put a low voltage here, we can put a high voltage here. 1. See what will happen? 1 into 2 to the power 1 is 0 into 2 to the power 0. So this will be 0, this will be 2. So what it comes out to be? 2. So this was the formation of binary system, and later technology advanced and we developed several coding methods like ASCII, okay, and several others code. Okay, we will deal with this in later stages. So for now, my focus is to make you realize, make you understand why this binary system is used. Before doing those conversions, we will be converting binary to decimal and vice versa, and there are certain other like hexadecimal, octal. But before doing this, it was very necessary to know why binary system was developed, why it is used. Why? Because computer only understand 0 and 1, and understanding 0 and 1 means computer understands high voltage and low voltage. So circuitry involved somehow resolves, and we make computer understand our decimal numbers or many complicated things. Okay, so this was the complete idea of binary system, why we need it, how it was developed. Hope you find it useful, and on the next video sections when we progress, we will go in depth and analyze certain circuits and how we are doing those mathematical implementations inside the computer circuit. Okay guys, thank you. Hope you have liked this video. Please like and subscribe our channel.